Well, to run the city of Austin, it's going to cost almost $3 billion next year. Today, Austin City Council gave its approval to the 2011 budget. It includes money for 48 new police officers, 10 new firefighters, and 30 new paramedics. The city's almost 12,000 employees will get a raise for the first time in 2 years. City libraries will also get about $500,000 for new materials. And to make that happen, your city property taxes are going up. That's just one piece of the pie when it comes to your total tax bill. KXAN's Aaron Cargile is live to show you how it all adds up. Aaron?
Well, Leslie, the city is just one of 5 taxing entities that end up with your money if you live in Austin. All have either approved or are in the process of voting on new tax rates. And here's what that means for your total tax bill.
University Medical Center Brackenridge and community health clinics across town are 2 places your tax dollars are going if you live in Austin. The new proposed tax rate that covers those who can't afford health care is a higher number than last year.
It's not a tax increase because our rate is only going up to the extent that existing property values have gone down.
But for homeowners like Owen Waters, whose property values stayed about the same,
it's still going to mean more taxes because the rate's going up.
He'll be digging deeper to cover the big 5 with tax hikes on the horizon from the city, Austin School District, Austin Community College, Travis County, and the Healthcare District. In the 6 years he's lived in the 78703 zip code.
My property taxes used to be about $8,000. Now they're past $12,000.
Based on this year's proposed rates across the board, a $185,000 home equals about $3,400 in total property taxes. Last year it was $3,300 with the same home value. That's an increase of $128.
I think government should reduce taxes during economic downturns. I think there's no excuse for collecting additional taxes to give public employees raises during this time period.
The Healthcare District alone will get $1 million more in revenue from properties on the tax rolls for the first time. For Owen, it's the emergency services that could operate more efficiently.
They say they have coordinated services. I still see 3 fire trucks, 5 cop cars, all kinds of people standing around. The communications people show up, the roads people show up. There we all standing around, all on our payroll.
And also going up next year, your water bill. Part of the budget includes an almost 6% increase in water rates. That translates into about $4 extra per month for the average Austin water customer.
The $4 a month increase is just this year's. So you pile on the increases that are already scheduled through 2015, and you're talking about $200 to $300 a year per household.
And that comment from Save Our Springs, that group opposes the planned water treatment number 4, the water treatment plant number 4, that will get some of that extra cash flow. Live at City Hall tonight, Aaron Cargile, KXAN Austin News.
And gone from the budget completely, the Trail of Lights in Zilker Park. The City Council voted to instead spend the $325,000 to help maintain Austin's 200-plus parks. This decision followed the city's decision to downsize the popular tradition last holiday season.
There are no frills in this budget, and I think this is as lean as we can make it.
The council did specify that the traditional Christmas tree will remain lit at Zilker Park. Some of our KXAN viewers tonight were disappointed, while others thought it was a pretty good move. One said, "Wow, Austin finally did it, killed Christmas." Hey, but the bicyclists can get around better, right? Another disagreed, saying, "Finally, the Trail of Lights was ugly and a waste of money. Good move, Austin." And some were simply sentimental. At least I have the pictures to show my grandkids. I proposed to my wife under the Zilker tree. Glad I have the pictures of that, too. Let us know what you think. Visit KXAN.com and click on Trail of Lights.